Worried about hard drive failure, lost or stolen laptops, and stolen files held for ransom? Here's how you can use ShareSync to back up your files and do so much more. ShareSync backs up the files in your ShareSync folder, as well as your desktop and documents folder. ShareSync backs up your files in real time. All file versions are backed up to ensure you can easily recover from any past point in time. Unlike traditional solutions, which only back up on a set schedule, ShareSync backs up your file every time a change is made. All backed up files are instantly accessible from virtually any web, PC, Mac, or mobile device. So if your computer is lost or stolen, you have instant access to all your key files. Compare that to traditional backup, where it takes hours or days to restore lost or stolen files. Backed up files can easily be restored using ShareSync in case of hard drive crashes, lost or stolen laptops, accidental deletion, or mass file infection. Use our Restore feature to bring back your files from the exact time and date you want. You can even restore deleted files. And if you're an IT administrator, you can restore any file from a centralized console. ShareSync is a robust file backup and restore solution with the added power of file sharing and collaboration. Contact us to learn more about the power of ShareSync's full feature set.